Good morning students. Today we will learn how to read time. Today our topic is time. See, our whole day is divided into 24 hours. Okay. So one day is equal to 24 hours. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. Okay. See, one day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. So today we will learn how to read these hours on a clock. Okay. See, this is a clock. You all have seen this clock in your home, isn't it? सबने देखा है ना clock अपने घर में? Okay. Now see, this is a clock and there are 12 numbers on this clock. 12 numbers हैं देखो on the face of this clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. See, and every number denotes 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes and 55 minutes, and total is 60 minutes. One clock has two hands. Okay, two hands are there in a clock, one big hand and one small hand. See, this is big hand and this is small hand. Big hand is called minute hand. Big hand is minute hand. Big hand से हम क्या read करते हैं? Minute read करते हैं. Okay. Now small hand. Small hand is known as hour hand. Small hand का मतलब hour hand. H is silent here. Okay. Its spelling is H-O-U-R, but you will not pronounce it like hour. It is hour. Okay. So our big hand is minute hand and small hand is hour hand. How many hands are there in a clock? There are two hands in a clock. One big hand and another one is small hand. Big hand means minute hand and small hand means hour hand. Okay. Now see, I have made one clock for you. Okay children, this is our ice cream clock. See? Do you like this ice cream clock? Okay. So today we will learn how to read time with the help of this ice cream clock. Now children, our ice cream clock is on the board now. And we will try to learn how to read time through this clock. As you all know, our whole day is divided into 24 hours. Means one day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Means there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And how many seconds? There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds and in 1 hour it is 60 minutes. Okay. Now look at this clock. See what is the time right now in this clock? Our big hand is on number 12 and small hand is on number 1. It means it is 1 o'clock. We can write this like this. 1 o'clock. We will write 1. After that O and a small comma, and then we will write the spelling of clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay. Now if I move this big hand to number 3, now tell me what is the time, and the small hand is on 1. So now it is 1:15. Now it is 1:15. 1:15. Now if I move this big hand to number 6 and this small hand will remain in between 1 and 2. Now what is the time? It is 1:30. 1:30. How do we can write this spelling? First of all, you will write the spelling of half, then past, 1:30. Okay, this is 1:30. Now if I move this big hand to 9, now you will see the small hand will go to number 2. Then what is the time? It is known as 1:45. First of all, you will write the spelling of quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter, 2. It is known as 1:45. Okay, and if this big hand moves to number 12 again, then you will see that a small hand has gone to number 2. Then it is, what is the time? Yes, it is very simple. It is 2 o'clock. So you will write again 2 o'clock like this. Number 2, then O, then a small comma, and then you will write the spelling of clock. This is 2 o'clock. Okay. Now see, every number is denoting minutes and you have to read the table of 5 to read the minutes. Okay. If I move this big hand to number 1, then what will you say? What is the time right now? The time is, I am writing here, the time is 2 hours. You can write it like this also. You can use 2 dots. 2 hours 5 minutes. Okay. This is 5. You have to read the table of 5 every time. 5 ones are 5. Now if I move this big hand to number 2 and the small hand will remain on number 2, it means it is 2 hours and 10 minutes. 10 means 5 twos are 10. Okay. Now if we move this big hand to number 3, then again you have to read the table of 5 up to 3. 5 threes are 15. Yes. Now the time is 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay. Now in this way, if I move this big hand to number 4, now what is the time? It is 5 fours are 20. So it is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. Now if I move this big hand directly to number 6, now tell me what is the time? It is 2:30. Yes, it is 1:30 last time. Now it is 2:30, or you can write this number also like this. 2.30 minutes. 30 minutes means half an hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Okay. Now 2:30. And now if I move this minute hand directly to 8, then tell me what is the time? Yes, it is 2 and you have to read the table of 5 up to 8. 5 8s are 40. Yes. Now what is the time? Read it. 2 hours and 40 minutes. It is 2:40. Okay. And in this way, if I move this minute hand to number 12 and hour hand to number 3, it means what is the time? Yes. What is the exact time? Yes, very good. It is very easy. It is 3 o'clock. You can write this time like this also or in this way also. 3 o'clock. Okay? Okay. Now, taking some more examples for you. Now tell me, what is the time? What is the time right now? Speak with me. Yes, it is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the evening you go for playing. Okay? Okay. Now at 6 o'clock. What is the time right now? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. And at 6 o'clock in the morning you get up to go for school. And in the evening at 6 o'clock you come back to your home and start your study. Now when it is 8 o'clock. What is the time right now? It is 8 o'clock because the small hand is on 8 and big hand is on 12. Big hand is on 12 and small hand is on 8. It means our hand is on 8 and minute hand is on 12. It means it is 8 o'clock and it is time for your dinner. Okay, at night you take your dinner at 8 o'clock. And when this our hand moves to 9 and minute hand remains on 12, it means it is 9 o'clock. Okay, and it is time to go to bed. It is your sleeping time. Okay, now I hope you all have understood how to read time with this ice cream clock. Okay class.